Hello, my name is Lauri Kivil and I work as Estonian Woodhouse Association Managing Director, and I've been here for 7 years already now. We're standing in front of the building, what's called the Competence Center, Estonian Woodhouse Manufacturers Competence Center. Estonian wooden houses have become a major export sector for Estonia, reaching nearly €500 million per year. Our local market is rather small, and because of that, Estonian companies have to export practically all of their products. It means that nearly 90% of our houses going abroad, and it means that Estonia is actually European #1 wooden houses exporter, and every fourth wooden building exported within European Union is actually made by Estonian companies. Our markets are actually really close to us. Half of our products go to Norway and Sweden, and the rest really important markets for us are Finland, also Middle Europe countries, Germany, France, United Kingdom. But you can find our houses practically from all over the world. We yearly export to 70 different countries. Our companies offer actually the whole value chain to our customer. And our main customers are real estate developers. And if customer has need for architectural design, then they can have it from our company. Also engineering designing, also production, assembly, logistic, transportation, after sale. So practically total value chain and full package of services. And they can have it from practically one company. We can say that most of our sector products belong to modular house sector. It means that big kindergartens, schools, apartment buildings, public administration, office buildings. But because we have small-size companies, medium-size, large companies, we can practically offer all type of buildings. And then 2D elements, 3D elements. We also have a rather good log house sector. It's small compared with modular houses and the timber frame sector, but it's still really good and with really long traditions. Everything actually started from log buildings hundreds of years ago. The companies have actually European technical assessment approvals and certificates, so they practically work under similar standards. It means that we can also fulfill like really big orders and large-scale orders, and we can practically join the company's capacities. Estonia is well known because of its ICT solutions, and also companies who are active in woodhouse sector, they have adopted many of this kind of solutions. And because of that, our companies are really well automatized and still at the same time really flexible. But we don't cut back on quality if we do that. And we believe generally that in future there's no alternative for wooden houses, because if we think that wood as a building material can capture carbon dioxide, then there's no alternative. It's the only technology what can actually reduce greenhouse gases. And we believe that in the future all the Middle Europe countries follow Scandinavian building technology and attitude, and that the wood is coming more and more popular. And we believe that also the policy, the European policy, demands that kind of changes in construction sector, that you have to use renewable materials, and wood is practically the only one in the construction sector.